multiple times just to overcome that.
Yeah, so then the final stage of the assembly process I got to see was the literal assembly, where you have, they'll cart in all these pieces that have already been, pressed through the toolings, they've been painted, and then it's time to put all of them together. And again, this is a really manual process where you'll have people sitting along an assembly line, they'll have kind of the skeleton of a case in front of them, and it's their job to put on the side panels, to screw pieces in, to put on, a top panel and run the wires through properly for your USB and all of that stuff. And then once they've done that, they still have to, put on like the styrofoam packaging and box the whole thing up and ship into the next room to get ready to store it or send it right out to a retailer.
That sounds really cool.
So that was the whole NZXT factory tour. We have a big gallery up on the site with a ton more information, a bunch of photos I took with details of kind of every stage of that process we just talked about. Goes in a lot more depth than we could go in here. So if you want to check that out, do so on PCGamer.com, and we'll have more factory tours